Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix this Google Chrome update issue within 2 minutes. So before you watch my video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. So all you need to do is go to your normal phone settings. After that, open apps and notifications. See all apps. Now search here Google Play Store. Okay. Now here you all have to do is just uninstall the updates of Google Play Store. Now it will reset the old data. Okay. Now open Google Play Store. See all apps. The Chrome updating issue is finally resolved. So within a minute it's gonna be installing and be updated on your phone. Now it's installing. Now as you can see here, it's updated successfully.